Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Donald from egenius.co.za. Alright guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please consider to do so. Remember to hit the bell icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Alright, so guys, you can see that my channel is new, is a brand new channel. Alright, so please help this channel to grow because I want to learn and earn with you guys. Alright, okay, let me just make one thing clear. That my channel is new doesn't mean that I'm a newbie on the internet. Alright, I have been using the internet like plus minus 11 years now. Just that I've been working with WordPress. So before I came across affiliate marketing and fell in love with it. So bear that in mind. Okay guys, like I promised to learn and earn with you guys, I just launched a tool to help make affiliate marketing much easier for the newbies and the ones who are struggling to make sales. Okay, this tool is going to what this tool does is going to help you promote multiple affiliate links, alright, with one link. Okay, how do you do that? I'm going to show you guys in a jiffy. Alright, here is the tool. Okay, I launched this tool to prove that is my logo there for my channel. That's the name of my channel and website and so on and so forth. All right, so guys, at the moment I want to make this tool, I'm keeping this tool free to use, but there is also an option to donate. If you enjoyed the service, just try to donate any amount to me via PayPal. All right, I will so much appreciate it, and that will enable me to keep it for free for a longer time. Even though I have a plan, I have the plan of adding premium plans, premium features, but I will still try to leave free plan. Okay, if I see that donations are coming in very well. So here is what you get in the free package. All right, you can go through it. Okay, so in case if you want to donate to me, you can come here. You'll see where it says donate to us via PayPal. You click here, it will take you to the PayPal page where you can put your donation and donate to me. Thank you so much. If you can do that, it will help me to bring out more tools to help us on this journey of affiliate marketing or internet marketing, whatever you call it. All right, with the help of this tool, okay, I've already signed in. So this is how the dashboard looks like. Okay, I want to keep this video very short, so I've already created a project. Okay, you can click here to create a project. So I created one project already. Okay, but whichever way, the one project is still enough for us. Then I created inside the one project, then I created bio link. How to do that? You go to create, you select bio link, and this tool is so great that it can allow you to shorten URL. All right, it's like multi-purpose kind of tool, So like I said before, I'm going to keep it free, but I would like you guys to donate to me if you want it to be free for a longer time, or if you want me to still leave the free option even when I add the premium plans. All right, so you come here, you edit, So you put whatever you want to call your name. You can put your name here or the name of your company. Then you can set your things. You can put your name here, or also whatever thing that you like to put. Whatever thing you put here will appear. Watch what is happening here. See how it will look like on the mobile, or when someone visits it, whether mobile or whether on the mobile phone or on the desktop or laptop computer. So that is my name right there. So you can put your name there. You can put your description here. Then you can set other things to be the way that you want. You can customize. I've already done that, but let me just show you guys. For the ladies, you can choose pink. Watch what is happening there. You see. For the guys that like blue, whatever thing that you want, whatever color that you want. So I've already set, I wanted it to be white color. So that is why I set it to be like that. Okay. So I just prefer it like this, kind of gray kind of color, you know. Then you can also change the text color here. Yeah, then after that, then you click update. All right, update successful. Then you come here, you put your links. This is where I put all the links. So what you do, you go to Amazon, you grab your affiliate. After signing up to the affiliate program of Amazon, then you come here. Okay, let me, for the purpose of this video, let me just use one of these books. Okay, let me use the one for Steve Harvey. Can open it. Okay, act like a lady, think like a man. All right, you can take the test. You can click on the test tool so that you can be able to get your affiliate link. Come back to the tool. Okay, you click on create. You can also add YouTube video if you want. You can add all these things, any of them that you have that you want to include. It's up to you. You have 10 links here, remember, so you have to choose wisely. All right, so you click the link one, you paste your Amazon link, affiliate link here. You click add URL. Watch what is happening, guys. It's been added. There you go. Now you click edit. So you change it. You come here, you copy this name. That is if you're promoting this book. All right. So you copy it. You paste it here. Okay. Or you can say, get the latest Steve Harvey book. I don't know if it will get in. Okay, so there you go. So you can put your icon here, can put book. Let's see. All right, there you go. Okay, so you click update. Once you click update, the book is there. All right, so what you do, once everything is set, you're happy with it, there is your link to promote. So you copy it. Anyone that click on this link, let me click on it, see what it will show us. This is how it looks like on desktop. So if anyone click on it, let's click on the one that we added, the book from Amazon. See what happens. It takes the person to the book, and the person will buy, and you get commission. All right, so you can just put all your links, all your affiliate links here, name them, be creative with this. All the tools that I'll be providing here on my channel, get more creative with it, and you're going to make a lot of sales with them. Okay, these are the tools that I am using, the new ones that I'm bringing out, the ones I want to use, but I cannot use them alone. Like I said before, I want to learn and earn with you. That is why I urge you to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that you will get notification anytime I upload a new video. Because by the grace of God, I will be uploading great content, and I will be bringing up tools that can help us, or ideas that can help us. All right, so if you don't know how to set up a blog or a website, this tool can help you. The name of the website is mylinky.info. okay, you can copy this link like I said before, get creative with it, come to your Instagram. You can see my Instagram is still new. By God's grace also, I will be uploading contents this year. I will build my social media. You know, I've been wanting to do this, but I wasn't having the time for it. But this year, I really want to get serious with this. So let's work together and make things happen. You can also go and find me on the Instagram and follow me there. You can see I have 0 posts, 0 followers, 0 followers, and 1 following. I don't know who I was following. Maybe it was the Instagram, but I don't know who I followed there. All right, you can come here and put it here. You see, I put that link here. All right, I can also put my website, but if I want to have more options to give to whoever that click on the link, so that if anyone click it, to take the person straight to this place, and the person can get more options. You know, get creative with this, the way you write it. If the person the person can visit my website, get the latest Steve Harvey's book, subscribe to my YouTube channel, join my Facebook group. By the way, guys, remember to join my Facebook group in the description below. Okay, because I also intend to build it as well. I will also be releasing some contents there. Just check the description below. You know, you'll find a lot of useful links there. Okay, so guys, this was the video that I uploaded earlier. So guys, you can come here, put that link here where I put my website. All right, mylinky.info/ whatever you put it here, just to keep your YouTube channel very neat. But if you like, you can also put like the way I put here, you know. So that is it. You can come here, guys, check out these links and see the one that is useful for you, and you know, make use of it. So that is it for today. I wanted to make the video short. I hope it's still short. Okay, but whichever way, it's still all good. At least you got something today. So guys, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notifications of new videos. Please like this video if you like it, and share it with others so that we can all learn and earn together. All right, get creative with this, and you will make more sells, trust me guys. So I'll be bringing up more tools as soon as I get your encouragement. Remember to donate after using this tool, please, so that you can encourage me to bring out more tools or provide more tools and more ideas. Okay, I also have options of becoming my patron. Okay, the link is also in the description below. All right, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys on the next video.